On the road again, going to Boulder Creek Lodge in Montana. Let's do this. This last place we were at, Three Rivers Cafe, lodging, perfect place. If you ever want to go somewhere, you gotta go there.
All right, and just like that, we're at Boulder Creek, Montana. Our campsite is one of the pull-through variety. It has a nice little picnic table off here to the side. And by the way, there's nobody else here. Did I tell you it's cold in Montana? I didn't know that. Looks like we're fully set up with electric, water, and septic. I went ahead and hooked the electric up so we can get some heat going on inside. So they have a couple teepees you can rent if you're so inclined. They also have a covered wagon you can rent, but it's still winterized. It's not quite seasoned yet. And all around the property, they have these little cabins to rent. This one is called the Creekside, probably because the creek is right back here. So we're only doing one night here at Boulder Creek. The main reason is we're running out of clean clothes and clean towels, and those sheets should probably be clean too. Mrs. P has 2 loads going over here, a couple dryers on this side. We're using this as our prep site to get ready for Yellowstone National Park. We're going to be staying at the Madison Campground inside Yellowstone. It has no facilities, no water, no septic, no electric, so we're going to be boondocking. So I'm making sure the bikes are charged up. We're going to take some extra water. Our batteries are charged up. All the black and gray tanks are empty and the water tank is full. They are forecasting snow, so that should be interesting. I'm sure there's lots of stuff to do around this area at Boulder Creek. The campground's pretty cool. It's got all kinds of cabins, little amphitheaters, a game room. They even have a hot sauna if you want to do that. But it's still pre-season and there's not anyone here except for the host. His name is Doug. He seems like a really nice guy. And there's a guy named Jason on property. He's helping us out with things like quarters for the laundry, things like that. So you guys be sure to get outside and do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.